Welcome back to my channel. It's time for a March roundup of Project 10 pen that is based on 10 uses. This Misha foundation was actually rolled over from February and I needed to use it 3 more times and I've managed to hit my goal. This L'Oreal True Match foundation was a new rolling and in March I used it 10 times. This Tarte Creaseless Concealer in shade 10B Fair Beige was used 19 times. Milani bronzer 10 times, and this Marc Jacobs bronzer that is mini was used 13 times. This Essence blush in shade 60 Beaming was used 21 times, and this Charlotte Tilbury Pinkgasm Beauty Light Wand in shade Pinkgasm Sunset was only used 3 times because this color is too deep for me in any time of the year. This Beauty Light Wand highlighter Pillow Talk in shade Pillow Talk was used 8 times and I didn't manage to hit my goal on it. And now the rest are the lipsticks. So this one from Lisa Eldridge in shade Audrey was used 10 times, but it was hard to use since this is mostly my summer color and it's hard to use it in winter. Next was this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Mini in shade Pillow Talk Fair. I have used it 11 times. And this Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey was used 12 times. So going forward, I will keep both of the foundations. I will declutter this concealer because it doesn't set and it's very heavy on my under eyes. I will keep both of the bronzers. I have actually managed to expand this pen a little bit so you can see this ring right here. I will keep this single Essence blush and I will declutter both of these Beauty Light ones from Charlotte Tilbury. They are both too dark on me. And I will keep all of the lipstick. This one I was thinking that maybe it will be in my maybe pile. No, I have changed my mind. It will definitely be in my maybe pile and I will come back to it in the summer to see how this shade will suit me. So now I will show you my picks for April. There will be more products in April. I will try to round up my first round of 10 uses and then in May I will try to amp it up on 15 uses. I will be working on this Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in shade 04 Perfect Beige. And also I'll be working on this Charlotte Tilbury Mini powder called Airbrush Flawless Finish in 1 Fair. And this one is completely new. Next, I'll be working on this mini Hollywood Flawless Filter Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I don't have a lot of it. Then I will be working on 2 blushes. First one is from MAC and it's called So Natural Glow Play. It looks like this. And on this Clinique blush called Cheek Pop in 02 Peach Pop. Then I'll be working on this Essence eyeliner pen, extra long lasting in shade 020 Brown. And this Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray that is a mini by Charlotte Tilbury. And then I will have 2 brow products. One is Essence Make Me Brow in shade 01 Blondie Brows. And this Alverde Eyebrow Pencil. And I will be also working on this L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. And now for lipsticks, I'll be working on 4. So first, I know that I'll be working on this one, that is Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. I think that this is in her Superstar Lips. This is the less more skinny and balmy lipsticks. And then I will be working on one Charlotte Tilbury lipstick that is in her Kissing formula and this special packaging. So I'll just put it in. This one. This one is in Mrs. Kisses. It looks like this. And this one also looks like this in Pillow Talk. Then I'll be working on one Lisa Eldridge lipstick. So I have two. I'm not looking which one, so let's pick this one in 178. It looks like this. Later I will transfer it in my refillable packaging, and this one is called Lisa. And then I have two minis from Charlotte Tilbury. Let's put it in a bag and just pick one. This one is in Pillow Talk and it looks like this. So this will be my lip color story for month of April, and these are my products, so I need to use them 10 times, and in month of May I will amp up my uses to 15 times when we start the new round with the same products.